Hello kids, welcome back to our learning channel. Today we are going to learn something new and exciting. Phrasal verbs. Wow! So, are you ready? Let's begin our fun journey. Today's lesson is all about phrasal verbs. These are special verbs that consist of more than one word. The meaning of a phrasal verb is different from the meaning of the individual words that make it up. Let's look at the following passage to understand it better. I set off for school in the morning. My driver's car broke down, so I boarded a train from the train station near my house. As soon as I got off the train, I came across my friend. He was coming out of the train with 2 suitcases. Suddenly, a group of people crashed into him. Before either of us could understand what exactly happened, 2 men ran away, snatching the 2 suitcases. We shouted and ran after them, but they were already ahead of us and we couldn't catch them. I asked my friend, what did the suitcases contain? He replied, the suitcases contained papers. In this passage, we can see several phrasal verbs in bold, such as set off, broke down, got off, coming out, ran away, and ran after. Let's break them down. Let's take a closer look at the phrasal verbs in the passage. Set off, to begin a journey or trip. Example, we set off to the station early in the morning. Broke down, to stop working or functioning, usually referring to machines or vehicles. Example, my car broke down while I was driving to work. Got off, to leave or exit a vehicle or a place. Example, she got off the bus at the next stop. Coming out, to emerge or leave from a place. Example, he was coming out of the building when I saw him. Ran away, to flee or escape quickly. Example, the thief ran away with the purse. Ran after, to chase or follow someone or something quickly. Example, the dog ran after the ball. Dicey activity. Now let's practice. I will say a sentence with a missing phrasal verb. You need to guess the correct one. I dash early this morning to start my day. Set off. My car dash during the trip. Broke down. He dashed the bus and walked to his office. Got off. She was dash off the building when I called her. Coming out. We dash after the thief, but we couldn't catch him. Ran after. The dog dashed from home when the door was left open. Ran away. Great job, kids! Let's move on to the next part. In modern English, phrasal verbs are used in 3 ways. To describe an action in an exact manner. Rajat studies on his own as his tuition teacher has gone away on leave. The truth about the lost necklace came out yesterday. He walked past his cousin without noticing him. To emphasize an action, Ria always gets up early. The rain has been bucketing down today. To convey a special meaning. Sometimes, just knowing the parts of a phrasal verb doesn't help us understand its meaning. We need to know the meaning of the phrase as a whole. Example, my sister looks after my pet dog when I go to school. I thought I had built an excellent game, but it was turned down. Turned down is equal to not accepted. My bike broke down in the street. Broke down is equal to did not start. Quick game. Let's play together. I'll say some words and you guess if it's a phrasal verb. Can you give up that snack? Give up. I asked him to give in to the idea. Give in. She started running after the ball. Running after. Yes, you did great again. Keep it up. Let's look at some more phrasal verbs used in sentences. Look after, to take care of. Example, my sister looks after my pet dog while I am at school. Turned down, to reject or refuse. Example, I thought my game was great, but it was turned down by the committee. Broke down, to stop working. Example, my bike broke down on the way to school. Now, let's see some more examples from the passage. Set off, to begin or start a journey. Example, we set off for school at 7 a.m. came across to find something unexpectedly. Example, I came across my old diary while cleaning the drawer. Ran away to escape quickly. Example, the thief ran away with my purse. Ran after to chase someone or something. Example, I ran after the bus but I missed it. Dicey practice time. Now, complete the sentences with the correct phrasal verbs from the list below. Break down, run after, set off, came across, ran away, and get off. I dash at 6 a.m. to visit my grandparents. Set off. My dog dash as soon as it saw the stranger. Ran away. My laptop dash and I couldn't finish my homework. Broke down. I dash an interesting book in the library today. Came across. I dashed the ball as it rolled away from me. Ran after. She dashed the train at the last stop. Got off. Time to revise. Today we learned phrasal verbs are verbs with more than one part. They have special meanings when combined. Examples include set off, get off, ran away, broke down, came across, ran after, and turned down. How to use phrasal verbs to describe actions and show meaning. We practiced phrasal verbs with lots of sentences and examples. Fantastic job, kids! You are awesome! Great job, kids! Today, you learned a lot about phrasal verbs in a fun way. Clap for you! If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time with a new lesson. Bye kids! Thanks for watching.